Good morning, everyone. So today is our second day, technically second day, and this will be a whole day tour. We will do a countryside tour sa Tagbilaran. Pick up namin is between 8 to 9 a.m. It's currently 7 and breakfast namin is 7 a.m. So ayun. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong itsura in the morning. Wala si Nina kasi tulog pa si Nina. Mamaya kami mag-opening ulit. Ito yung third floor nila or rooftop. May dipping pool dito sa taas. Tingnan natin. Ayan, dipping pool. And then, pwede ka maligo dito. Hi guys, good morning. So welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
Woo! We are on our So let's face this. Okay. So we are on our we are Ngayon ay second day na namin sa Bohol. We are so excited kasi pupunta kami ng Chocolate Hills. So invite them to join us.
Please invite. Please come with us. Please come with us. I'm begging you.
Yes, come with us, join us, and please subscribe and like this video, okay? Sa Baclayan Church, first tourist destination. So nandito na kami sa loob. Hindi nakapasok sila ate kasi naka-short sila. Kailangan naka-pantalon or naka-skirt ka. So pag pupunta kayo dito, dapat naka-pantalon or skirt. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Butterfly ma'am, nagliparan ma'am kasi mabasa yung pakpak ma'am, maulan. Ayaw nila magtrabaho ma'am. Ramdam ko naman sila.
Dito na kami sa butterfly farm. Hindi lumilipad yung mga butterfly. Siyempre, malakas ang ulan basa. Tapos, lalo pang lumalakas yung ulan. Papasok kami dun sa loob. 100 pesos ang entrance dito. And it smells like flower, no? Dad? It smells like... Oh, malakas yung amoy ng flower.
Anong flower ba?
Hindi ko alam. Tapos makikita niyo dito yung yung mga butterfly nakasabit lang doon sa net pero hindi lumilipad. So, ito yung ticket namin. So, 1,000 per person. Wag ka pa basahin.
Baka bako.
Lobak?
Lobak at bako.
Sabi niya, lobak.
Hindi, wala.
Accent yan.
Wala,
Wow,
wala
accent
accent.
naman.
Bako river.
Pupunta na kami dun sa floating restaurant. Ito rin yung daanan. May music pa. Hello.
Dessert muna tayo, dessert. Wow, dessert.
Yan yung pagkain ni Dylan. Barbecue, chicken, fried rice,
Parang lugi tayo
and coffee jelly. Ito, fried rice, chicken, maha. Hindi ko to alam kung appetizer, barbecue. Dad, ano sa'yo? Aba, may hipon, himala. Paano yung gutom na gutom ka na pero vlogger ka pa rin?
Kuha ka lang din. Babayaran ni Camille.
Oh, sarap naman, pansit naman. Magalaw na yung floating restaurant habang kumakain kami. Nag-start na siyang mag-move. Ay, ang sarap sa pakaramdam maginhawa. Tapos may music pa. Ay, ang sarap ng hangin. jelly shot. Bagay pa. Naglasing sa coffee jelly.
Go, Nina.
Wow!
Parang wala naman eh.
Meron. Kuya Wax. 150. Oh. Kuya Wax.
Ba't tumama sa atin?
Ano Kuya Wax sa Hawi Soji? Oh, see? Oh,
Nina, can you introduce us to your relatives?
Where's your
No?
sister?
Where's your sister?
Where's your brother? Your brother is so kulit.
Let's find Ninong's relatives here.
Yan!
What's this?
Masarap talaga siya, ma'am. Sir, try sir. Or fresh coconut wine. Wow. Can I take a photo? Yeah.
Ba't mahaba yung baba niyan, Lan? Can you explain?
ako yan eh.
Tapos na kami dito. Next namin ay Chocolate Hills na.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Dito kami aakyat papunta dun sa viewing deck. Good luck sa akin. 200 plus steps daw. 200 plus steps! Bukod sa hagdan, pwede naman pala dito sa gilid. It's just a slide. Slide away. So pretty naman. Wow.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
So guys, hi everyone, we are done with our chocolate hills and Tarsier Sanctuary. So tapos na kami sa Tarsier Sanctuary and Chocolate Hills. Medyo nakakapagod ang Chocolate Hills kasi may steps pataas, 200 plus steps. What can you say, babe? What can you say? What's your favorite part so far?
So far, it's just see. After that, my thing, I'm taking a photo. That's it.
Taking photo where?
It's a python.
Ah, Python.
Python.
Python or fight? Letter. Sorry. Again. Taking photo for
With a
Python.
python.
Okay, not Python.
Python.
Sorry mo. Accent naman. Pinoy accent, sorry. Okay, so, ang favorite part ni Nina ay yung Python, no? And then my favorite part is eating! Woo! Eating in the river! Eating in the river? Okay. Nakapagod lang yung pag-akit, pero worth it naman. Mas tahimik pa at mas maraming bundok sa baba, no? We have a lot of hills on the lower ground. On the lower ground. No English na. Okay, later na lang. Nasa Mirror of the World tayo. Ang entrance fee is 150 daw, pero pag gabi nagiging 170 per person kasi siguro dahil may mga ilaw na. May extra fee for electricity. Charot lang, yun lang ang sinabi.